Welcome back. In today's lesson, we'll explore some useful classroom vocabulary, learn how to use these words naturally in sentences, and I'll also share a few helpful grammar tips. Our first word is scissors. Scissors are a tool used to cut paper, cloth, or other materials. Here's how you can use this word. You can say, I used scissors to cut out shapes. Or, she lent me her scissors during class. Common verbs with scissors include, to cut with. I cut the paper with scissors. To snip. Snip means to make a quick, small cut, usually with scissors. It's often used when cutting something like paper, fabric, or a small piece of material. For example, she snipped the ribbon with scissors. There are several types of scissors, each designed for specific tasks. Safety scissors are made for children and have rounded tips. Craft scissors are used for arts and crafts, sometimes with decorative edges. Kitchen scissors are stronger and used for cutting food. Hair cutting scissors are precise, made for cutting hair, and sewing scissors are small and sharp, perfect for cutting fabric and thread. Next, we have glue. Glue is a sticky substance used to join things together. Here's how you can use this word. You can say, I used glue to stick the pictures in my notebook. Or, I glued the photo to the card. Common verbs with glue include, to stick. I used glue to stick the pieces together. You might hear the phrase stick like glue, which means to stay very close to someone. For example, the child stuck to her mother like glue. To apply. He applied glue to the surface. To glue. She glued the paper to the board. There are different types of glue. Glue stick. Liquid glue. Super glue. Hot glue. Wood glue. Our third word is calculator. A calculator is a device used for making mathematical calculations. Here's how you can use this word. You can say, I always rely on my calculator for big calculations. Or, he forgot his calculator at home, so he had to do the math manually. There are different types of calculators. A basic calculator handles simple math. A scientific calculator is used for advanced calculations. A graphing calculator plots equations. A financial calculator helps with business and finance calculations. And there are calculator apps that can do all of this on your phone or computer. Common verbs used with calculator include, to use. I used the calculator to solve the equation. To calculate. She calculated the total cost with the calculator. Now for a quick grammar tip. Scissors are always plural, so we say, the scissors are sharp, not the scissors is sharp. For glue, we use to when talking about bonding things together. For example, I glued the photo to the card. Thank you for watching. You've learned how to use scissors, glue, and calculator with useful verbs, types, and phrases. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.